Crayon production in America dates back to the early 1900s, with numerous companies vying for dominance in the art supplies and educational markets. One company, however, managed to outshine the rest: Crayola. Founded in 1903, Crayola remains a household name over a century later. Mrs. Alice Binney, the wife of one of the company's founders, coined the name Crayola, a combination of the French word cray, chalk, and ola, oleaginous or oily. Crayola's impact is immense, producing an average of 3 billion crayons per year, around 8 million crayons daily. To put this in perspective, if laid end to end, the annual production would circle the globe 6 times. Crayon production has evolved significantly over the past 120 years. Initially, crayons were available in just 8 colors. Today, the palette has expanded to a stunning 120 hues. But how are these crayons made? The primary material used is paraffin wax, a non-toxic, safe substance derived from wood, coal, or petroleum. Paraffin is perfect for crayons due to its compatibility with pigments and its ability to leave a sufficient wax residue on paper. Delivered to factories in liquid form, paraffin must be kept warm during transport to prevent solidification, liquefying at around 135 degrees Celsius. The next crucial ingredient is pigment, which gives crayons their vibrant colors. Since paraffin doesn't mix well with water, pigments are delivered in powdered form, having been made from water mixtures and subsequently dried. Suppliers follow precise formulas dictated by crayon manufacturers to produce individual pigments. These pigments are created by mixing chemicals in wooden tanks, filtering out excess water, and drying the resulting chunks. Once dried, the chunks are pulverized into powder and blended for consistent color. In recent years, crayons have incorporated additional ingredients like glitter, which adds sparkle by reflecting light, and scents to create scented crayons. Production begins by heating paraffin in large industrial boilers at around 180 degrees until it liquefies. This liquid paraffin is then transferred to massive silos that can hold up to 65,000 liters, equivalent to the maximum takeoff weight of a Sikorsky King Stallion helicopter. Given the flammable nature of paraffin, stringent safety measures are in place, including workers wearing masks to avoid inhaling fine particles. From the silos, paraffin is moved to mixing kettles where it's combined with clay to enhance the crayon's strength and act as a filler, making production more cost-effective. Various synthetic chemicals are added to prevent sticking to molds and increase the wax's rub-off quality. Finally, powdered pigments are added to the mix, ensuring vibrant and consistent colors. All ingredients used are non-toxic, guaranteeing safety for children and artists alike. The mixture is kept at a consistent temperature and thoroughly stirred to ensure even distribution of color. Once the wax and pigment mixture is ready, it is pumped into a rotary machine where the temperature is controlled to prevent hardening. The machine injects the wax into molds, which can vary in size and shape depending on the type of crayon being produced. Molds, typically made of metal or silicone, create the familiar cylindrical shape of crayons. Within 60 seconds, the wax solidifies as water cools the molds, capturing the pigments and resulting in vibrant colors. Excess wax at the top is scraped off and recycled. A single rotary machine produces 2,700 crayons per cycle. With several machines working simultaneously, a factory can produce up to 30,000 crayons per hour. After cooling, the crayons are automatically ejected from the molds and inspected for defects like breaks, chips, or bubbles. Imperfect crayons are remelted and recast. In the early days, entire factory floors were dedicated to producing a single color for a day or more. Today, the demand for a vast array of colors means that individual vats and molds are dedicated to specific colors, running production lines around the clock. After molding and inspection, crayons are transported via conveyor belts to the labeling machines. Each crayon is coated with glue and wrapped with a label that includes the brand and color information. A roller presses the label onto the crayon, and an arm wraps it around. These machines can label 8,500 crayons per hour, requiring multiple machines to meet daily production targets. Quality control is paramount, with random samples from each batch tested for color accuracy, hardness, and other specifications. Once crayons pass quality control, they are packaged in cardboard boxes or plastic containers, often with additional information such as color names, usage instructions, and safety warnings. Packaging is automated, with machines counting and sorting crayons before placing them in their final packaging. Packaged crayons are then boxed and palletized for distribution to retailers, schools, and other outlets. This stage involves logistical coordination to ensure timely and cost-effective delivery. The journey of a crayon from raw materials to the colorful tool in your hand is a fascinating process of precision and creativity. Despite the rise of digital tools, the crayon industry continues to grow, with the global market valued at $15.95 billion and expected to increase by 7% by 2028. This growth underscores the timeless appeal and enduring necessity of crayons in education, art, and everyday life. The process of making crayons is an intricate blend of science and art, requiring meticulous attention to detail at every stage, from the selection of raw materials to the final packaging. Each crayon is a product of precise engineering and creative innovation, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. As technology advances, so does the production of crayons, incorporating new materials and techniques to enhance the user experience. The crayon, a simple yet powerful tool, continues to inspire creativity and learning in children and adults alike. So the next time you pick up a crayon, you'll know the incredible journey it undertook to reach your hand. If you're curious about how other everyday items are made, stay tuned for more intriguing insights into manufacturing processes. The crayon manufacturing process is a clear example of the complexity and intricacy involved in creating a seemingly simple product that has a significant impact on daily life. It provides us with an opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of industrial manufacturing processes, from material selection to quality control. Crayons are an important tool for fostering creativity and cognitive development in children. Witnessing their manufacturing process can make them more interested and connected to the products they use every day. Crayon manufacturers need to consider the environmental impact of the production process, from raw material usage to waste management. Implementing clean and environmentally friendly production methods is essential to reduce negative effects on the planet. Regular quality checks during the production process are a crucial lesson in commitment to product quality and safety. Stringent quality control ensures that crayons are reliably produced and safe for users, especially children. The selection of materials, such as paraffin and pigments, also needs to be carefully considered to ensure they do not have a negative impact on the environment. The story of the crayon manufacturing process is not just a technical and technological journey, but also carries deep meanings about environmental impact and valuable lessons about caring for and respecting resources. That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.